So I'm here at St Vincent's Hospital in Fitzroy as part of the state government's announcement of our budget for delivering 6 mental health crisis hubs in our busiest emergency departments. I'm joined by Richard Wynn, the member for Richmond, and Sue Cowling, who's the nurse director here in the emergency department. We are funding $100.5 million of funding 6 crisis hubs for those people who come into contact with our emergency departments every day and don't get the support that they need. And this is about making sure that people with challenging mental health and alcohol and drug behaviours are dealt with quickly, effectively, and not just in their interests, but in the interests of other patients and particularly in the interests of our staff. So I might ask our friendly Director of Nursing, oops, I think I just gave you a promotion.
Yes,
Sue, to talk about what it means from the staff's point of view.
I think this is a funding opportunity we've been really hopeful of. Emergency departments are under a lot of pressure with patients presenting with drug and alcohol issues, and the impact is not only on themselves in coming in their confidentiality and the dignity with which they're treated in a very open environment, but also around the stresses they face on other patients and other staff. And so having an appropriate place to care for them over a given period of time is, I think, really going to provide a lot of better care and have a really big impact on the community as they go back out into it. So we're really looking forward to being able to create a model of care that will support these patients who are under a lot of stress when they present, and emergency departments have a very short window of impacting their care, and I think this will really allow us to make a significant impact on that care.
And Richard, as a local member.
Well, thanks very much, Martin, and Sue, thank you so much for having us here today at the magnificent St Vincent's Hospital. This emergency department does really magnificent work, and your announcement today, Martin, is going to be really important, particularly in managing difficult clients who come into the hospital with could be drug affected, mental health or alcohol issues, and to be able to, as Sue said, treat these people with dignity and ensure that other patients who are being dealt with here in emergency are also provided with a comfortable environment. This is really important work, and I want to congratulate you and obviously the Premier for the foresight of providing this much needed funding, not only to St Vincent's but to 6 of our major emergency hospitals. So thanks very much.